There are many factors that may motivate someone to become a certified professional coach. The most common reasons that we have encountered are career advancement, personal development, a passion for helping others, career flexibility, knowledge, skill development, and professional credibility. Obtaining a certification in professional coaching can help individuals to advance their current careers or open up new career opportunities. Coaching can be a powerful tool for personal development and self-improvement, and becoming certified allows individuals to help others achieve their own personal growth. Many people have become coaches because they have a passion for helping others and want to make a positive impact in the world. Coaching can be a flexible career, with many coaches working independently, setting their own schedule, and having the freedom to choose the clients they want to work with. The certification process provides the coach with the opportunity to learn new tools, techniques, and approaches to coaching. Having a certification in coaching will demonstrate to clients and potential employers that the coach has a certain level of knowledge, skills, and experience, and also can increase professional credibility. If some of the points I just mentioned strongly resonate with you, visit our website or message me. We could even jump on a call to find out how coaching will specifically work for you.